Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Handira Trishada Sanggita, and I'm gonna talk about issues on language teaching writing. So, here's my outline. The first is introduction, the second is bibliography, and the third is conclusion. The first is introduction. Writing is one of the most crucial language skills to acquire while studying English as a foreign language. Even if lecturers have extensive topic expertise, teaching writing is a difficult task for students. The goal of teaching writing as one of the four language skills is to make it easier for students to study. However, due to the difficulties students comfort in learning to write, teaching writing has become challenging. The recent question of this study is what challenges faced by teachers in teaching writing. And also the aims of this study is to discover what our teachers confront a variety of obstacles when teaching writing. The second is bibliography. Article 1. This article by Zahirul Islam with title Teaching EFL Writing at the SSG Level in Bangladesh, Challenge and Consideration. This study aims to study the difficulties that EFL teachers in Bangladesh confront at the SSG level in teaching English and provide research-based recommendation. Use the MM or mixed method approach method involving 4 EFL teachers and 60 students who took place in 4 different secondary level schools in the city of Dhaka. Most students were less willing to practice productive writing because they were accustomed to memorizing. Most of teachers in Bangladesh mentioned that it is difficult to teach writing properly in the classroom because some of the common problems of students also include different levels of student backgrounds, poor grammar and vocabulary knowledge, and a lack of productive writing thinking and reading practice, as well as time allocation not sufficient for students to practice writing. Article 2. This article by Sri Wahyuningsih with title Challenge and Opportunities of Teaching Academic Writing Skills, a case study of students at EIN Kudus. This study goal is to explore the difficulties that might be confronted by EIN Kudus when teaching English writing skill to their students. Use a qualitative method by interviewed 7 students of the English department of EIN Kudus. Students of EIN Kudus have several problems and challenges in writing English. The first is they have limited exposure to English vocabulary. The second is lack of intensive and extensive reading. The third is limited proficiency in structure. The fourth is limited reference. And the last is lack of motivation. Some opportunities can be given to improve the process of teaching academic writing skills at EIN Kudus. The first, English lecturers must redesign academic development courses, especially in academic writing. The second is academic writing lecturers at EIN Kudus should work with other English professors. The third is students should be encouraged to improve their receptive skills such as listening and reading. And the last one is using technology or digital tools. Two factors make it difficult to teachers to teach writing. The first, internal factor. Native language disorder or English competence, grammar knowledge and vocabulary expertise are examples of linguistic competence, student motivation, and reading habits. And the second is external factor. Class condition, availability of teaching aids, the availability of time to teach writing. Article 4. This article by Tirtha Karki with title Writing Instruction in Secondary Schools, Unrealizing Practice and Challenge. This study attempts to survey how to English instructor in the middle grades in Nepal carry out their classes on writing, as well as the difficulties they face in teaching writing. Use a qualitative method. The informants of this study is 20 English instructor at middle school from both public or private institutions in the Sunsari district of Nepal. Participants in semi-structured interviews and VGDs said that the challenge teachers face in the in their teaching writing process are: the first is lack of time, the second is class size, the third is the practice of teaching English in a majority of Asian countries is still a traditional product-oriented, examination-centered approach, and the fourth is inadequate instructional resources, and the last is lack ICT facilities. Article 5. This article by Hundarenko with title Challenge of Teaching Academic Writing Skills in ESL Classroom based on international teaching experience. This study aimed to determine the most difficult aspect of writing for L2 students, primarily a group of EFL students from Ukraine and Slovakia. Use a simple comparative analysis at European universities, Ukraine and Slovakia, included 5 bachelor's degree university students majoring in the English language. Ukrainian and Slovak students make similar mistakes in their writings. The first is punctuation. Students tend to ignore space following initial sentence, phrase, or term less appear before the primary clause and commas to distinguish and divide all geographic names, item in date, addresses, and title in names. The second is academic register or linguistic elements. Students have difficulty using gender-inclusive or discriminatory vocabulary when registered for classes. And the last is Article 6. This article by Safia Muchaba Asif with title Exploring Challenge Encountered by EFL Libyan Learners in Research, Teaching, and Writing. This research focuses on several aspects of research writing in a bachelor's degree program. This research included 42 Libyan EFL undergraduate students studying English at Seba University's Department of English, and there were 36 female and 6 male students ranging in age from 20 to 22. More than 20 participants felt that selecting the sample, whether randomly or purposefully, is a difficult task in research methodological challenges. 16 participants also having difficulty finding reference or previous research for their research, particularly those who are conducting investigative research. Libyan teachers' attitudes on their students' performance were poor due to a variety of problems, including a lack of research background knowledge, a lack of enthusiasm, and a lack of library resources. The last is conclusion. The aim of this research is the challenge faced by teachers in teaching writing. It is found some challenges that felt by teachers when teaching writing in class. Teachers can pick the best strategy to test the teaching writing skills by offering feedback and direction by recognizing teachers' obstacles in teaching writing skills. Furthermore, the school administration must take the appropriate steps to address the issues that instructors confront to assist instructors and ensure that the teaching process is effective. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.